A few years ago, I lost weight, improved my health, and came off blood pressure medication by changing the way I ate and becoming more active. Over time, life got busy and I slowly drifted away from the habits that were working. So this is me starting again. I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm not trying to become a fitness influencer. I'm just trying to rebuild my health 1 week at a time. The goal is simple: lose 10 kilos in 10 weeks by staying consistent with food, walking, training, and burning around 700 calories a day through movement. This channel is about the real process, balancing work, family, farm life, setbacks, discipline, and trying to become healthier again. I'm a dad with 2 young children living in rural New Zealand. I'm just a regular Kiwi in progress.